Hello, Super Grandma. I used to chase perfection. Now I chase the moments. I used to believe that I have to get everything all right. Clean house, perfect meals, never lose my cool. But as a grandma, I found out that perfection doesn't matter. What matters is cuddles on the couch, giggles in the hallway, messy, but blink and you will miss kind of love. That is what matters. And now, I don't chase perfection. I chase the moments. And those moments are precious. That is all that matters. Don't you think? Have you turned into that kind of a grandma? If you have, please comment below.